Hello friends, this is Akina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Today I am talking about best roti makers in India. This particular video I am going to share with you basic detail like pricing, brand and some important features. So guys, before going to start, please subscribe my channel if you are new and please follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Guys, there are many kind of roti makers available in online and offline. Some are using electricity and some can be used by manual. And there are many big brands like Bajaj, Prestige and Sunflake Japan and Molo guys. Okay guys, now first I will share detail about branding. So first brand is Bajaj, and as we all know, Bajaj is well known brand for its quality in the house appliances like home kitchen appliances, fan, lighting. This roti maker comes with adjustable temperature knob which let you control the temperature of the makers, and it's include demo CD which helps you how to operate roti maker. It is a fully automated and portable in size. Because for this compact size you can move anywhere, you can place it on dining table and you can place in kitchen. Now we talk about its body. It has a steel body and the tawa is made from the best food grade toughen coated and non-stick aluminum, and the tawa size is 20 to 26 inch and it is non-stick, so you can make dosa, parathas, puris and sandwich also. And the body is shock proof and ultra safe for use. It also has a heat resistant handle for easy making. For shock proof, it is filled with high quality ISI marked lead and 6 ampere plug. It has auto cut off feature with indicator light. For the same, it has a predetermined fixed temperature. When the appliances reach to this temperature, the heat supply is automatically off. An LED indicator turns off. This helps you to put on the dough ball on the tawa. And now it's ready to use. Now we talk about its weight. It has a great design and durable body, and product weight is 1 kg. Another best roti maker brand is Prestige. It has also non-stick coating, and this Prestige roti maker can be the choice for people who love big size of rotis. It has a non-stick coating which gives you lot of benefits such as make roti and clean the machine without any problem, and the product has no complicated mechanism. That's why you will not have a hard time using it. Its handle is very easy and comfortable to grip, which will make the work easier and safer. Now we talk about its body. The outside body is a stainless steel with a thick quality non-stick coating to make sure that the dough never stick to its base. It has an indicator. The red light indicator the roti make is on, and green light indicator that the base is still heating. And once the green light turns off, it means the roti maker is ready to use. In this you can make pizza, bread, roti, paratha, naan, khakra and puri. There is a temperature knob. It's allowed to adjust the temperature. You can use it for different dishes. For example, paratha requires a low heat to turn crispy, so you can adjust the temperature to low setting. And the Prestige roti maker is energy efficient too. It consumes around 900 watt of power. This way you consume money and electricity bill also. Now we talk about its warranty. Prestige roti maker warranty is 1 year, and it comes with demo CD. For demo CD, you can know how to operate roti maker. And another banner is Sunflame. Sunflame is another home appliances brand in India. It's known for amazing quality product. This is budget friendly option for those people who want to make a quick roti daily without investing too much time. Sunflame roti maker is made from stainless steel with standard quality, medium size tawa inside. It has indicator light to guide you when the roti maker is ready to use, and you can make roti, dosa, paratha, sandwich and all kind of roti item. However, it takes too much time when we compare to Bajaj roti maker. And it's come with a 1 year of warranty. The appliances work on 900 watt with uniform heating all over the tawa with a low voltage consumption. It is also energy efficient, and the CD comes with the product. CD helps you to understand the roti making process well. It is the best option for working women and bachelor. Next brand is Molo. Molo roti maker is a non-stick roti maker. It is another cost-friendly product in the market. It comes with various colors like red, purple, yellow and blue. These are some attractive colors for your modern kitchen. This product includes demo CD also. It helps you how to operate roti maker and how to make rotis on Molo roti makers. The cool touch handle to prevent from the getting heated up when we use. This roti maker also works on a 900 watt, which won't consume much of electricity even when we used on a regular basis. Molo roti maker is a extremely best roti maker having decent features and quality, and it has an automatic cut-off feature too with indicator light to avoid the shock. So guys, this was today's video. I have shared with all the basic details for roti maker. I hope you understand all the things before purchasing any roti maker, guys. For more detail, you can visit my blog www.designerplanet.blogspot.com and also visit my website designerplanet.in. And please follow me on Instagram for latest update, deal, and some latest offer. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with your friend circle. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much.